Entering the stock market with fantasies of overnight wealth usually leads to a single guaranteed outcome: total bankruptcy. Relying on gut feelings or guessing where a chart will go is a direct path to losing everything you've saved. I started during the 2020 lockdowns. I was a gym trainer earning 8,000 rupees a month, and I spent over a year hiding away every spare rupee until I had 1 lakh in savings. I put that money into the market without a plan, and I watched it vanish. To survive as a student of the market, you need a financial safety net. Keep your job and use active income to cover your life. Trading should never involve your rent money, and if you are under 18, you need to consult an adult before you start. Today, we are removing the threat of loss entirely. You're going to learn how to access live market data and execute your first trade using a professional platform without risking a single rupee of your savings. By utilizing a simulated environment, you can navigate the market's high-risk learning curve and make your first mistakes with virtual funds instead of your actual capital. Accessing the stock market requires a specific portal, which in India is known as a demat account. In the past, owning a piece of a company looked like this: a physical paper certificate. Today, that ownership is managed entirely through digital accounts. While brokers like Zerodha or Upstocks provide these accounts, they require depositing real money immediately. For a beginner, that is where the cycle of losing capital usually begins. To learn safely, we will use TradingView. Navigate to their homepage and complete the basic email sign-up to access their professional charting tools for free. Choosing a simulated platform over a live broker at this stage allows you to focus on education and discipline, rather than the stress of potential financial ruin. Use the search bar at the top to load a chart. You can search for HDFC during market hours, or use BTC USD to practice on weekends. Most beginners analyze the market using this default line chart. It's a trap, because this simple line hides the most important data you need. Correct this immediately by opening the Chart Type menu and selecting Candles. The display will transform from a single line into a series of red and green bars. These are candlesticks. They are the standard language of professional trading, revealing exactly where the price opened and closed during every single minute of the day. To activate your virtual bank, look at the bottom of the screen and click the tab labeled Trading Panel. Select Paper Trading by TradingView and click Connect. Your account is now active, populated with a simulated $100,000 fund for you to practice with. This virtual account mirrors the mechanics of the live market exactly, allowing you to experience the reality of price fluctuations without any personal financial risk. Open the Order panel on the right. For your first trade, select the Market tab. We are ignoring the complex limit and stop options for now to keep the execution simple. Go ahead and firmly click the blue Buy button right now. You have just successfully executed your very first live paper trade. Look at the chart. A blue horizontal line has appeared at your exact entry price. This line is your benchmark. When live candles move above it, you are in profit. When they move below, you are in a loss. Monitoring how live price interacts with your entry line is your most basic indicator of performance, showing you in real time whether your position is gaining or losing value. You are now an active participant in the market. You are reading live data and managing a position without any real-world financial danger. If you lose virtual money today, consider it your tuition fee. Making mistakes with these fake dollars now prevents you from making those same expensive errors with your real savings later. Keep in mind that TradingView defaults to US dollars, so you'll need to perform a simple mental calculation to see your profit or loss in rupees. Now that you know how the platform works, your next goal is learning when to enter a trade. You can start that process right now with our free course on candlestick patterns. Mastering the mechanics of the platform is just the first step. To become profitable, you must commit to a structured education before you ever deploy real money into the market.